Tile guidance for lasting installs. Most homeowners never see tile failure coming. The tile often looks perfect when the job is finished, but months later cracks appear, grout begins to fail, tiles sound hollow, or moisture damage shows up behind walls and under floors. By the time these problems become visible, repairs are expensive, disruptive, and far more complex than doing the job correctly the first time. These failures are not rare or isolated. They happen in new construction, remodels, and high-end homes alike. Tile usually doesn't fail on day one. It fails quietly over time because critical steps were skipped or misunderstood during installation. In most cases, the tile itself isn't the problem, the installation is. One of the biggest reasons tile jobs fail is that industry standards are ignored. Tile installation is not just about appearance. There are established standards that address bonding, movement, coverage, and moisture management. When those standards aren't followed, the installation is already compromised, even if it looks good initially. Many installers rush to stay on schedule or cut corners due to lack of training or oversight. Even brand new homes fail when these standards aren't respected. Homeowners who understand that standards exist are better equipped to ask the right questions and avoid unpleasant surprises later. Another major cause of tile failure is inadequate surface preparation. Tile requires a flat, clean, stable substrate to perform correctly. When prep work is rushed or skipped, tile may hold temporarily but will eventually fail. Grout cracks, tiles loosen, and floors develop hollow spots that signal bond issues beneath the surface. A large percentage of tile failures can be traced directly back to poor preparation. Unfortunately, prep work is also the easiest step to hide once tile is installed. Proper leveling, correct substrates, and thorough surface preparation are not optional, they form the foundation of a successful tile system. Avoiding costly remodeling mistakes starts with slowing the process down and prioritizing quality over speed. Skilled professionals follow manufacturer instructions, allow proper cure times, and use systems designed to work together rather than relying on shortcuts to save time. Homeowner involvement also plays an important role. Clear communication, regular check-ins, and a basic understanding of what should be happening at each phase of the project lead to better outcomes. You don't need to be an expert, you just need clarity and accountability. Another commonly overlooked issue is adhesive selection. Not all thinsets perform the same, and using the wrong product can lead to poor coverage, tile movement, and bond failure. Large format tile in particular requires specialized mortars designed to support its size and weight without slumping or creating uneven surfaces. This single material decision can determine whether a tile installation lasts for decades or fails prematurely. Matching the adhesive to the tile, substrate, and environment is critical for long-term performance. This is where professional tile and stone guidance becomes valuable. An experienced, independent review can identify risks early, verify proper installation methods, and help prevent mistakes before they become permanent. The goal is not to add complexity, but to reduce uncertainty and protect your investment. Tile work should be durable, stable, and worry-free. When industry standards are followed and the right decisions are made early, tile performs exactly as intended. When they aren't, homeowners are left paying for problems they never knew were being built into their project. Independent build risk review is in the link below. Clarity before construction saves money.